Hello everyone and welcome to frompizzatodalchawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this nutritious and fibrous oats chocolate smoothie. This recipe is so easy to make but is so healthy and delicious. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण ए रेसिपी को ओडिया देखिବାକୁ चाहछन्ती देन तळे थिबा डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स लिंक को चेक करंतु. So here I have soaked 1/4 cup of oats overnight. You can also soak it for 10 to 15 minutes before using it. Add the oats to the blender jar. Then add 1/4 cup of water. Chop and add 1 banana. Adding banana makes the smoothie creamy and filling. You can also add frozen banana if you want. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, half teaspoon of instant coffee powder, half cup of chilled milk, 2 tablespoons of honey, and 1 teaspoon of chia seeds. You can also add flax seeds if you want. I am adding half teaspoon of vanilla essence here. This is completely optional. Blend everything smoothly and serve in your choice of glass. This recipe makes 2 glasses of oats chocolate smoothie. Trust me, this chocolate smoothie is delicious and also nutritious. I have used few chia seeds and chopped almonds on top. Our creamy and chocolatey oats chocolate smoothie is ready now. This chocolate smoothie is perfect for breakfast or any time sweet cravings. So do try this out yourselves and let me know how it turned out. If you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.